After Israel's dramatic strike on Evin prison in Tehran, a jail already infamous for torture and silencing the people, Iran's regime seems to have launched a revenge campaign. Officials say that 71 people have died in the blast, from soldiers to visiting families, and now Tehran is blaming Israeli spies inside its borders. But yes, here's a twist. Many of those accused are not spies at all. They are students. They are activists, even women arrested for protesting. In the meantime, human rights groups fear that over 100 detainees could face execution. Can you think about that? 100 people being put to death, not necessarily for being a spy, but for daring to speak up. In fact, lawyers in Tehran are openly whispering that judges are openly saying that our generals were killed, now we will take revenge. No fair trial, no due process, just the revenge. In fact, one survivor, a 28-year-old dental student, shared chilling details about it. After surviving the prison bombing, she was shuffled between cells, safe homes, and tortured heavily. Her crime? Criticizing the government. Others, specifically the women, they have been moved to another prison, Quarchak, a nightmare facility where no clean water is there, no medical care, and suffocating overcrowding. Can you imagine that? 65 women squeezed into 5 tiny rooms in 40 degrees Celsius heat. And here's where geopolitics comes in. Iran says that Mossad, Israel's spy agency, trained cells inside the country, passing coordinates of sensitive sites during the 12-day war. 8 suspects were paraded in front of cameras, and these suspects were accused of working with Israeli intelligence. But you know what? Activists insist that many of those so-called spies, they are not spies. They are just tortured until they confess that they were spies. So, is this really about national security, or is it a revenge dressed up as a justice? Is Iran trying to send a warning here? A warning to Israel, a warning to the West, a warning to its own citizens. The dissent will not be tolerated. Now, this crisis goes far beyond prisons and trials. It's about how regimes under pressure weaponize fear. Now, for Iran, every single Israeli missile or Israeli drone strike becomes an excuse just to tighten its grip at home. And for the prisoners inside these prisons, it's all about survival and not anything against Israel, but against their own state.